Sir, hello friends. Today we are going to study our subject electric circuits. According to MSBT, 22324 is the subject abbreviation code. Today we are going to see generation of alternating voltage. According to Faraday's law, the rate of cutting of flux with respect to time develops EMF in the coil. Now we are going to study definition of voltage. Voltage is a force which motivates electrons in electric circuit. Another definition is circuit. It consists of various parameters: resistor, inductor, capacitor in a closed loop. What is definition of network? Network made up of various types of energy sources and electric parameters. Now we have to see atomic structure of atom. Atomic structure of atom. Take example of copper 29, 2, 8, 18 and 1. So center is nucleus. In this 2 electrons, in this orbit 8 electrons, in this orbit 18 electrons, and in last orbit it will have only 1 electron. In this way, atomic structure of the copper, which is the conductor of electricity, is shown here. Now this is nucleus. The outermost orbit electron is revolving around the nucleus. When this force break, it will become free electron, and flow of free electron is known as current. So we are going to study current definition. Current is flow of free electrons in conductor. We can see here conductor, and these are the moving motivated free electrons. So this is known as current, measured in ampere. Ampere, AMP, its unit. Now we have seen voltage, current, and now resistance. Resistance is the opposition to flow of electrons. Resistance is defined as it is opposition to flow of free electrons. R is measured in ohm, and the formula is V is equal to I into R, where V is the voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistance. This is measured in ohm. The unit of resistance is ohm. So V is voltage, which is force, current is the motivated electrons in the circuit, and R is the resistance. Now when it is connected in a particular manner in closed loop, it is known as circuit. So circuit, we can draw circuit. Here one resistance resistance R is connected to the AC supply source and I be the current flowing in the circuit and V be the voltage. V is equal to voltage, I is equal to current and R is equal to resistance. This is the simplified electric circuit. We can call this as electrical circuit. So you have to prepare for definition of voltage, current and resistance, their units.